I'm Royston So from Kiat Lee Landscape Private Limited. I've been in the landscaping industry from the 1990s. My first lorry crane was from Hiab. This was followed by Fassi, then through Wongfong. I was introduced to PALFINGER. PALFINGER cranes have good performance, and the servicing support is really good. There was a recent launch of a new PALFINGER model which is good, whereby the pipings and hoses were all concealed. Hence, our cranes would not be damaged while working with trees. And this makes work safer. Yes, we have a current project in the Botanic Gardens, where the trees are older and taller on average. The spaces are narrow, while trees are tall, so the cranes that we use need to have greater outreach, ranging up to over 40 meters in length. I have been to Japan and observed how important they viewed environmental conservation to be. This inspired me to bring this back to Singapore and recreate something similar. Later, I also visited Australia to learn the ways of composting. The Australians use a certain higher-end material to grow the bacteria, speeding up the composting process and creating a better quality humid soil. I established this company wanting to fulfill the meaning of my name, which is a combination of build and mountain, meaning to build and protect the environment. The process begins with tree cutting and crushing. Once the wood is crushed, the segregated wood chips would then be mixed with chicken feces to create fertilizer. The fertilizer would be in the form of a type of humic soil, and this humic soil would be used mainly for landscaping. The humic acid derived from the humic soil can be used for irrigation, and the remaining compost can be used for fish rearing, as it cleanses the water. The process of turning trees into soil is important because of the rising sea levels. If we don't grow the land would be flooded in the future and covered with water. Passion, because I felt for the earth. If humans as key players on it are not protecting it, it will be the end of it. Because most importantly, I would like to pass a message down to not only my future generations, but also outsiders who are willing to learn, to protect the world and the environment and minimize damage to the earth.